Dukane was established in 1922. Headquarters are located in St. Charles, Illinois, approximately 45 miles west of Chicago. Dukane is the global manufacturer and supplier of plastic assembly systems used in the automotive, consumer electronics, appliance, packaging, medical, aerospace, and textiles industries. Plastic joining applications are becoming more and more prominent in the under-the-hood automotive assemblies. Many of these are used for the induction systems or fuel systems. Cosmetic exterior parts are pushing the welding process envelope as well. Medical devices and even manufacturers of electronic enclosures are requiring an improved assembly process. This application most likely was a rubber hose in the past, but now it is a two-piece injection molded part which requires joining and a particulate-free clean joining method. This is just one example of challenges manufacturers are facing. Others include cosmetic appearance combined with difficult geometry. Dukane works closely with their customers and thrives to solve their challenges. In recent years, they introduced advanced plastic welding methods that produce particulate-free parts or reduces particulate to great extent. While heading in the direction of providing cleaner and stronger solutions to modern plastic parts, Dukane was aware of another cutting-edge patented technology that produces particulate-free weld joints without degrading the material and can join complex geometrical parts. The process is called hot gas welding.
Hot gas welding was invented and patented in 2005 by a company called KVT located in Bielefeld, Germany. KVT has been very successful providing customers with the hot gas assembly solutions in Germany and throughout the world. What is unique about the process is that it can create particulate-free strong bonds with no oxidation or contamination to the weld joint. It is a non-contact welding process, therefore producing no stress on the part and allowing for assembly of complex geometries and materials. Great news for the plastic industry is that Dukane acquired KVT Bielefeld. As I mentioned, KVT is headquartered in Germany and currently markets and supports products from their German facility. Because of the huge demand for the hot gas process, it's been challenging for KVT to reach out to the customers' needs worldwide. With our global support and the fact that Dukane currently supplies many other plastic assembly processes, it makes sense that Dukane and KVT make a connection. What this means is Dukane will be able to help support KVT customers with their hot gas solutions worldwide. And there is an additional benefit to the KVT-Dukane partnership. Currently, there are several quality suppliers of ultrasonic technology in Germany. However, none of these suppliers offer true servo-controlled ultrasonic welding with our melt-match technology. The melt-match technology has proven to be the most repeatable process and delivers the strongest weld quality. Now with the connection of KVT and Dukane, we will be able to offer and support German customers with Dukane's patented ultrasonic servo-control melt-match technology, in addition to all our other jointed technologies. KVT has an outstanding manufacturing facility in Germany, which I'm incredibly proud to be associated with. In that facility, KVT currently has an impressive hot gas applications lab, and in the coming months, KVT will have technically advanced ultrasonic and vibration welding lab. So now manufacturers in Germany will be able to come directly to Bielefeld and work with Dukane products and enjoy the local support of KVT engineers. With the acquisition of KVT underneath the Dukane umbrella, Dukane now has the largest breadth of technology in the world. No other manufacturer has that capability. In addition to that, Dukane's global footprint is second to none. We have manufacturing locations in 7 countries, KVT being the most recent one in Germany. So wherever you are in the world manufacturing plastic assembly components, Dukane has a solution and support for you there.